Hello makers! Today I'm going to show you my Shadowbox here for the Arduinos I'm not using at the moment. I really like the way these things look, and I do use them, but I happen to have quite a few of them. It's like rabbits. If you have more than one, you'll end up with a ton. And they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Here is the, I think, Pro Mini? Yeah, this is the Pro Mini. I've got him down here. I've got the AT Tiny. This one's a bit of a pain in the ass to talk to, but you'll get there. I make these little breakout boards for programming them and talking to them. Here's another Uno. I really like that color. There's an Uno in the box too that has a surface mount brain. Here's an Uno on a breadboard. I've got another one of these around here somewhere. This is basically an Uno with a ZIF socket that you can take the chip out and put it into another project and put it back in here to program. Here's a Mega. I've got one of these in my 3D printer on the table over there. Here's a Arduino. There's a beautiful little kit from universalsolder.com. Solder. S-O-L-D-E-R. And Uno bare bones. It doesn't have any USB or anything like that, but you can talk to it through ICSP. I really like that. It's got good power management. You can jumper it for 5 volts, 3 volts. I don't think they're going to be making them anymore, sadly. And here's an Arduino Do. They are all hot glued onto standoffs. I've got a nut under each one, and they're all glued onto a 3D printer heater bed. I'll pop it out real quick. You can take a peek. This is an IKEA Shadowbox. More glue. And there they are. It's an easy little project, and I think it really makes an interesting thing for the lab or the bedroom, whatever. I put it in the bathroom, but my wife didn't like it in the bathroom, so I had to move it to the bedroom, so I like it. It's on my side of the room anyway. Someone was joking with me online that the last thing anyone wants to see in the bathroom is a strange electronic device on the wall. I guess that's true. I really hope I put that in the right way. Hey, I did! So that's my little Arduino Shadowbox. I hope you give your Arduinos a nice little display. Something to show them off. Show the world you're a maker. Be weird and be proud. I hope you found that useful. Goodbye, makers.